In this video, I'm going to show you how to compute the standard deviation using Excel. So I already copied over some data values that they want me to find the standard deviation to. So I usually just click on the cell below the numbers. I go up to the formula bar, I click on that FX, and I want to do standard deviation, so I'm going to search for STD. This is what I want, STDEV, that stands for standard deviation. Click on insert function, and it's smart enough to know that I want to find the standard deviation of the numbers that are in the cells from A2 to A7. And here's my result right here. It's 9.2097. That's it. If they actually ask you for variance instead of standard deviation, you just do the same thing. Click on FX, look for VAR, and click on variance, insert function, and in this case it's 84.819. It's actually, the variance is just a standard deviation squared anyways. So that's it. It's that easy. I hope that helps.